Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make my butterfly pea flower soap. I'll just call it blue tea. So we'll start by pouring the lye solution that is infused with a teaspoon of indigo blue powder and the blue tea. We'll pour it into our oils, coconut, olive, and castor oils, and also beeswax. Yes, so we'll just press to extract the lye solution that is still trapped in these blue tea flowers. I mean, these flowers look so lovely, but sodium hydroxide doesn't do justice to them. And please accept my apology. My lighting is kind of bad. I forgot to turn on the lights, and also sorry for this, excuse me for using this strainer which is about to go. I'm gonna use it until it's gone because it's still serving its purpose, so bear with me. So let's do some stirring. We are looking for trace. I don't want a very light trace, not so heavy, but I don't use a stick blender when I have beeswax in my mixture, so I am looking for medium trace. Yeah. So we're gonna add another teaspoon of the indigo blue powder, as you can see it there. Yeah, let's add this powder. Yeah, and then let's just mix it in so that everything is incorporated. Oh, as you can see now, it's thick. So let me add essential oil. You can add any essential oil of your choice. I've added some lavender. Yeah, let's just stir it in. I won't take long. Yeah, so it's time to pour. Find it's looking sort of grayish blue. So we have finished pouring our soap into these lovely molds, and this is how it looks. Yeah, so I think now it's time to do some decorating. Yes, so I've finished decorating the top. This is how it looks. Not bad at all. Oh my gosh, oops, I forgot this one. Let me finish this one. Yeah, let me just. Now I'm done. The next day, bright and early, and molding time. Yes, that's a single one I had in this mold. So this is a final result. They are looking gray. I'm disappointed. I have to do another video where my soap will turn blue. So this is how the soap looks. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos, like and share. Bye.